give our thanks and ask to bless our mother's golden chicken breast.
The chicken is good.
Hungry, aren't you?
Have any cupcakes?
Well, here comes the cupcake train. Choo-choo!
Welcome home?
We've been waiting for you, Coraline.
For me.
Yep, wasn't the same here without you, kiddo.
I didn't know I had another mother.
Oh, of course you do. Everyone does.
Really?
Uh-huh. And as soon as you're through eating, I thought we'd play a little game.
You mean like hide and seek?
Perfect. Hide and seek in the rain.
What rain? What about the mud?
We love mud here.
Mud facials, mud baths, mud pies. It's great for poison oak. You do like it here, don't you, Coraline?
Uh-huh.
You could stay here forever if you want to.
Really?
Sure, we'll sing and play games, and Mother will cook your favorite meals.
There's just one tiny little thing we need to do.
And what's that?
Well, it's a surprise.
For you, our little doll. Black is traditional, though if you'd prefer pink, or vermilion, or chartreuse, though you might make me jealous.
No way! Are you sewing buttons in my eyes?
Oh, but we need a yes if you want to stay.
So sharp you won't feel a thing. Ow!
Now then, it's your decision, darling. We only want what's best for you.
I'm going to bed right now.
Bed?
Before dinner?
I'm really tired. I'm just gonna, sleep on things.
Of course you do, darling. I'll be happy to tuck you in.
Oh, no, thank you. You've already done so much.
You're welcome. And we aren't worried at all, darling. Soon you'll come to see things our way.